Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 701, What is a Solution? In this lesson, students will be able to explain the difference between a solvent, solute, and solution, describe the various types of solutions, define molarity, and calculate the molarity of a solution given the moles or grams of a solute and the volume of solution. Here's a chart of different types of solutions. So you can have your solute be gas, liquid, or solid, and your solvent can actually be a gas, liquid, or solvent. I'm sorry, a gas, liquid, or solid solvent. So you can have gas and liquid, gas and solid, liquid gas, liquid liquid, liquid solid. And so here are various examples of what those look like. So how do we measure how much solute is in the solvent? We use something called molarity. Molarity, not molarity, molarity. Molarity, or the molar concentration, is the measure of the concentration of the solute in solution. The units that we use for molar concentration is moles per liter. So in essence, molarity, the formula is moles of your solute divided by liters of solution. And here's a handy triangle where you have moles of solute, molarity, liters. So moles of solute divided by liters. So here, moles of solute divided by liters, you get molarity. Moles of solute divided by molarity, you get liters. Liters times molarity, you get moles of solute. So if you have two of those items, you can solve for the other one. So how do we calculate molarity? So identify givens and convert if necessary. So are you given grams? You have to convert to moles. Are you given milliliters? You have to convert to liters. Then rearrange the equation to solve for the correct variable, and then plug in the givens and make the calculations. So if you're given grams, you need to use the molar mass of the compound to convert them to moles. And if you're given milliliters, you need to convert from milliliters to liters in order to solve the problem. And over here, it's called a volumetric flask. This is how we make various concentrated solutions, is by using a type of equipment called a volumetric flask. So here's an example. What is the molarity of a solution that has 4.5 moles of MgO in 3 liters of solution? So we're trying to find the molarity and then the quantity of solute. So in the moles, it gave it to us moles in the problem. And so the volume also gave us the volume in the correct unit, so liters. And then step 2 is rearrange the equation to solve for the correct variable. Well, it's already in the where we need to go. So we need M is equal to 4.5 over L. So moles, let's actually do this. 4.5 moles over 3 liters equals 1.5 molar solution. So how we would say that in English speak is we would say that it's a 1.5 molar solution. This next question says, what is the molarity of a solution that has 0.90 grams of NaCl in a 100 milliliter solution? So step 1 was identify the givens. So convert to proper units if necessary. So in this one, we do need to convert to proper units because it gave us our solid mass of our solute. It gave us in grams. So we need to convert that using the molar mass of NaCl. And so my number of moles of NaCl, so 0.90 grams times 1 mole divided by 58 grams, is 0.016 mole of NaCl. Liters, it gave us 100 milliliters, so we need to convert from 100 milliliters to liters. So there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So our milliliters cancel, and I'm left with 0.100 liters. So now I need to set up my problem. I have my M is equal to 0.01 mole over 0.100 liters. And for my answer, I get 0.10 molar solution. You try. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 800 moles of CuSO4 in 4 liters of solution. So in this example, it already gave us 800 moles of our solute, and it already gave us our unit in liters, so we don't have to do any conversions first. So then we needed to rearrange our equation, and we don't because m equals n over L, and I'm trying to find for my m. So then plugging in my numbers for my calculations, I get m is equal to 800 mole divided by 4 liters is equal to it's equal to a 200 molar solution. Here's another you try. How many moles of CuCl2 are in 4 liters of a 2 molar solution? Be careful. What are you trying to find in this case? Remember to use your triangle. You got moles and then molarity in liters. So in this case, it gives us our molarity. So we have our molarity there. It's asking for how many moles, so we don't know our N value. And in our liters, it gave us 4 liters. So in this case, we do need to rearrange our equation, and we get M times L is equal to N, because I just cross-multiplied to get N by itself. And then I'm going to plug in my givens, and I have 2 times 4 equal N. So N is equal to 8 moles CuCl2.